So as you saw from my birthday, I love sailing. I love anything with getting on the water, anything of that sort, right? So it's always been a dream of us to have a sailboat. You know, of course, we always dream of like the big sailboats and stuff, but we got super blessed. A little mini sailboat, and Zeke surprised it to me yesterday. I was walking backwards and he told me to turn around, and all of a sudden there's a mini sailboat right there. So of course it's not like the big one that we dream of, but hey, it steps in the right direction towards, you know, living the dream, living your dream life and all that. So really excited. We're just out here today and cleaning her up. Hey everyone, I'm Amanda, and this is Zeke. We're married, love traveling the world, surfing, doing yoga, and living a healthy life. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to follow along. A pretty successful first timer, huh?
We didn't flip the boat or sink it, but we definitely have some work to do. Got to get some more equipment. It's mainly about trusting the boat now. The water was soaking in a lot of water, so we got to fix that before I get really comfortable.
Felt good to be out there. Looking forward to the summer. 2 little peas in a pod. They are.